Alright guys, we have got a dome light right here that is not turning on. So this is a Honda Civic, and basically what you have are these little tabs, and they're really hard to see on camera, but one of them is right there, the other one is right there. And so all you really need to do here is take a flathead screwdriver that's skinny and small, and you put it into that little groove, and you just kind of pull down. And I just unclip it. You do the same thing right there. Oh, wow. And just like that, you can pop off the thing. This bulb is acting really weird, so I'm going to be replacing it, but that is how simple it is to remove the bulb on this thing. And so basically it's just held in with some force. So we're just going to gently pull this out. Hopefully we don't get electrocuted. I'll turn it off. I'm using a pick. Maybe that's stupid, but we'll see. There you go. There is our old bulb that now needs to be replaced. Maybe y'all can read the number on that. It just says Kelly, and then 12 volts, something or other. But yeah, so that's how we get this thing off. Looks like it's in good condition. Hope this helps. Thank you all for watching.